Hey friends, today I'm checking out flashlight here. It's been a while since I've done an unboxing, so just thought I would get rolling on some of these. I've been kind of slacking a little bit, just kind of overwhelmed, so I'm back, and here we go. We're doing a hunting flashlight. It's got a red, green, white LED. It's handheld, water resistant. Okay, so in the box we have the flashlight, decent size. Let's check it out. So it appears to be aluminum. It's got a nice little red tip or button there, lanyard in case you don't want it to fall off. Looks like it has 3 individual LEDs there, probably red, green, and white would be my guess. Okay, doesn't appear to be zoomable, which is okay. Let's go and take this off. Got a battery in here. These are 3.7 volt lithium ion, 300 mAh. The 1860, whatever. Decent. Does these charged yet? Have any charge on it? Doesn't appear to have any charge right now, so that'll be later. That's cool. What else is in the box? Alright, so here is the second item in here, and this is, it's a little pressure switch. So basically, if you don't want this button on there, you can put this one on there, and it has gives you a little bit of range, so you can turn it on and off with this. So it's kind of cool. That's when you're using the mount for your rifle. Let's see what else is in the box here. Okay, so nice little charger. This is a 1 battery charger, and obviously when I go show you how this thing works outside on the review part, we'll be charging that battery up. It's kind of cool. And least but not last, in here we have a mount for your scope. So if I pull it out of here all the way, I'll show you how it works. Alright, so this part here would go, if you have a scope right here, this would screw in over the thin part of your scope and go down like that. And this round part is where your flashlight's going to go right on there like that. So you can mount that on there, and it has different ways you can adjust this and slide it off and slide it back on. So you could have this on your scope and then loosen this screw here, which will allow you to slide, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, or take that off, and then if you want to put it back on there real quick and easy, just screw it on just like that, and you're back ready to go. So I'll be charging up the battery, taking it outside, and checking it out. You can grab this off of Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description below for about $40. So I'm going to go get this all charged up and show you how it works in part of the review. So thanks for watching this unboxing, everyone. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time. Alright, so in my backyard here, we're testing out the flashlight. Let's do, oh, there's a kitty. Oh, poofy girl. So there's the green light. And that actually looks pretty cool in the backyard. So, actually, so it's pretty good. That's what that looks like. There's the backyard. There's the tree fort. Let's switch the other light here. Alright, there's the regular white. Well, there's a big moth thing flying over there. And there's Poofy Girl. Oh, Poofy Girl. Alright, there's the backyard, so that's pretty bright. And let's switch to the red light. That's pretty cool. So, definitely a neat little light for sure. I like the different spectrums here. And kitty girl. Pretty kitty. There's a Poofy Girl cat. Alright, so pretty cool little flashlight. Let's check it out in the living room. So that's my backyard. You can see pretty good. Alright, let's go in the living room here. Alright, so here's the living room without the light. And shine my light in here. There's the red light, which is kind of a neat aspect. It's not supposed to damage or give you a hard time when your eyes are trying to adjust to the light here. So there's the green one. I wonder if it's the same way for that or not, but definitely pretty cool. You can see things maybe a little bit differently with that. And there's the regular light there. So pretty bright. Let's check out the little switch it has with it. Alright, here I have this second trigger on here, and you can turn it on with a click of a button right here. So there's that. Just click it on and off. It has the red, the white, and the green. So that is that. Nice little demonstration there. Pretty bright. Let's go on with the final review, shall we? Alright friends, final review on this flashlight by, is it MA3TY? MA3TY, so MA3TY. Anyway, it's kind of a cool name there. They make the battery also. So the flashlight's, it's a fairly bright flashlight. I don't know if you can mount it to a scope and it'd be like realistically. I mean, if you're hitting stuff within, 25, 50 feet, something like that. But as far as like just being a nice little flashlight for general purpose, I think it's a pretty cool thing. I like this little feature too. You know, if you needed to put it on your scope or something like that. I could see more like putting it on like a handgun or something like that for like a kind of closer range than a scope, but it might be able to mount onto the bottom rail of a semi-auto, something like that. Anyways, cool flashlight. You know, it's decently bright, so as you saw earlier. I like the different colors. The red is kind of nice if you don't want to damage your night vision. Just so pretty neat little flashlight. The batteries are nice. It'll probably run for quite a while on this. So, sorry, I'm eating a Starburst here. It's not focusable, but it reaches out pretty good distance. So, nice little flashlight. Yeah. I'll leave a link in the description below. So, thanks for watching this review. Everyone have a good day out there, and we'll see you next time. Everyone take care. ETPC out. Well, final thing I didn't really demonstrate was this little, so if you just click it, it'll turn on, and when you let go, it turns off on the end. But on the middle part here, closer towards it, if you push that on, it stays on, off, on, it changes color, and on. And the end part is you hold it down, and when you release it, it turns it off. Okay, so another little thing there. So this end part doesn't have a lanyard on it, but it does have a little hole for a lanyard, so you can put that on there as well. So pretty neat. Anyways, I thought I'd just throw that last part in. Thanks for watching, everyone, and we'll see you next time. Everyone have a great day.